Welcome to English, You and Me. In today's lesson, we'll learn useful English phrases for ordering food at a restaurant. Listen carefully, repeat after each line, and practice speaking naturally.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Jane.
Great. Right this way, please. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes. Could I have a glass of water, please?
Sure. Would you like still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
In restaurants, both "can I have" and "could I have" are correct when ordering. "Can I have" is common and casual, while "could I have" sounds a bit more polite. So you can say either one. Both sound natural to native speakers.
Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I think we're ready. I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables.
Excellent choice. And for you, ma'am?
Could I have the pasta with tomato sauce, please?
Of course. Would you like anything to drink with your meal?
Just water for me, thanks.
All right, I'll be back with your drinks shortly.
Useful phrases.
How's everything?
Everything's great, thank you. The chicken is delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Can I get you anything else?
No, thank you. We're good for now. Could we get the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right over.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take your time.
Let's review today's useful restaurant phrases. Practice these lines out loud, and you'll sound more confident when ordering at a restaurant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations. See you next time.